What's up? We're backing up here, guys. I'm in Granville, Michigan, as you can see. We're in Granville, Michigan with CSX Q326 40 cars. Here it comes. Here comes CSX Q26 40 cars. I'm Landon. We're in Nutsville, we're in Granville once again. As you can tell, heats are going right there here, guys. 40 cars, here it comes. Document a short little video of the derailment, not of this, but of D701. Here comes the insurance guys, there so slowly, here it comes. Coils! It's 4 cars and no hoppers on them, it's coil. Levi, look. Right there, guys. Here we go. That's cool. I've never seen that before. There's the entering, guys. Right there. It's the CSX. I don't know how to zoom in on. I can't see anymore. Anyway, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Hope you like this video. Once again, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you guys, and then bring a video to slow down to a D701 local derailment. I'll see you guys next time. Landon out.